Hi, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing XLOV Unlove special pack. This is not an album version, this is just a merch that was released alongside the album, the same as with iWon. So let's open this. Okay, let's see. The box looks the same as the iWon one. I knew what's inside, but I totally forgot everything, so we'll see. Okay, I will be taking out stuff and showing it to you. Okay. First, we've got stickers. Here's a keyring. And it's Hyun, right? Yes. Next, we've got postcards. This time the messages are right here. You don't have to discover them. Okay. Tea. Beautiful. Okay. I think it's a flag or something like that. We'll see. Or like a fabric poster. Oh, okay. It's nice to touch. And the other, wow, cute. Love it so much. And now the cards. They are two normal photo cards and also something, but I don't remember. So let's see. Oh, Alenti, okay, it's Rui. Here, I don't know. Oh, this is like the hit one. I don't like those. Right? Is it the hit? Yeah, I can't make it work. Sorry. Okay, and my two photo cards. This Muti, everyone wants her. I'm so happy. Wow. Just perfect photo card. And the other one, another Muti. I'm blessed. Now let's see a poster. I kind of wish it wasn't black and white, but still very pretty. And the photo book. This is the last part of this unboxing. Okay, let's put this away. Okay. So, I talked a lot about the songs in my album unboxing, so if you want to listen to my thoughts, watch that. So now I just want to say that I really love styling for this era. Like, they're incredible, the way they present themselves and everything, like the hair, the makeup, and just everything, just this genderless look is just wow. I'm so proud of them. I'm so happy that they can express themselves freely, and I just really love everything they stand for. So yeah, I hope they're gonna conquer the world because they deserve it. They've started getting recognition from their idol peers, this comeback. I know they were a little scared to like propose challenges in the previous era, and now it changed, so wow. and now it's changed. So yes, I'm very, very proud of them. Their European tour starts in like a few weeks. I am going to the Warsaw concert. Just so pretty, and I'm so excited. I won't probably have many videos from that like I had from my previous Warsaw concert, because I won't be that close to the stage this time, but if I have something I will post it, surely. I love this idea of their A and B versions, just Umuti's mind. Love this outfit. So, what is your favorite concept for this album? Please tell me. And here we have credits, very important. Something else? No. So that's all. Okay, I tried to activate it, but it's so cold here, so didn't work. Thank you so much for watching. If you are going to any of the concerts, have so much fun. It will be one of the best days of your life, I know it. And yeah, enjoy. Have a nice day. Bye.